You see the headline, 23 years old, self-made millionaire, retired before 30. You feel that familiar pull in your chest. Somewhere out there, someone found the shortcut, and you haven't found it yet. But the real answer is far more surprising. The people who actually build lasting wealth almost never talk about shortcuts. They talk about decades. Here's what you're not being shown. For every young founder who sells a company for millions, there are thousands of businesses that quietly fail in year one. You don't see those stories because failure doesn't get clicks. Success does. This is called survivorship bias, a term popularized by statistician Abraham Wald during World War II. Wald was asked to study bullet holes on returning aircraft to figure out where to add armor. Everyone wanted to reinforce the spots covered in holes. Wald said no, the planes that got hit in other places never made it back. You were only looking at the survivors. Your financial life works the same way. You see the winners. You never see the graveyard of people who tried the exact same quick strategy and lost everything. So what actually builds wealth? Time, just time. Consider a simple example. If you invest $10,000 in a fund that averages a 7% annual return, after 10 years you have about $19,000. Not exciting, right? But after 30 years, that same $10,000 grows to over $76,000. Nothing changed except how long you waited. This is compound interest, and Albert Einstein reportedly called it one of the most powerful forces in the universe. Whether or not he actually said it, the math behind it is undeniable. Here's the psychological trap. Your brain is wired for instant reward. Behavioral economist Richard Thaler, who won the Nobel Prize in 2017, spent his career studying why humans consistently choose smaller, immediate rewards over larger future ones. It's not a character flaw, it's biology. Waiting feels like losing. Speed feels like winning. That's exactly why get-rich-quick schemes are so seductive. They speak directly to that impatient part of your brain. Day trading promises, crypto pumps, secret investment systems sold in webinars, they all whisper the same lie. You can skip the waiting, but ask yourself something. If there really was a reliable way to double your money in a month with no risk, why would anyone sell you the secret instead of just doing it quietly and getting rich themselves? Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, built the overwhelming majority of his fortune after age 50. Not because he suddenly got smarter, because compounding needs time to do its work. His business partner Charlie Munger once pointed out that the first rule of compounding is to never interrupt it unnecessarily. That's the real secret. There isn't one. There's just patience, applied longer than everyone else is willing to apply it. Think about your own financial habits right now. Are you chasing a shortcut because it feels good today? Or are you willing to be boring for a decade so you can be free for the rest of your life? The people who get rich quick are rare, and most of them get poor just as fast because they never built the habits that keep wealth once it arrives. The people who get rich slowly tend to stay rich because the process itself teaches them how to hold on to it. So the next time you see that headline about the 23-year-old millionaire, remember Walt and his airplanes. You're only seeing the ones that made it back. The real lie was never that fast wealth is impossible. The real lie is that it's normal.